Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova 12i. Begin by launching App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then install Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screen. Now go to Huawei and tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Finally, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!